there, Braint here, the Welsh Language Coordinator for PACEY Cymru. To celebrate National Play Day, we as PACEY Cymru would like to share with you our newly published Welsh Culture Information Pack. The main purpose of this resource is to support childcare providers to grow children's knowledge and understanding of the Welsh culture in a fun and interactive manner, and also to help children gain a sense of belonging to their country. You can download the pack or simply print a copy off just like I've done here to share with you. The pack includes a variety of Welsh recipes which are easy to make with children, along with 6 play activities which contribute to the learning and development of the child. To extend the learning, we have included some Welsh vocabulary to support the Welsh language development and communication skills, which in turn will support the child's well-being. Alongside this, we have included some fun facts and child-friendly information relating to the Welsh emblems, national celebrations and famous tourist attractions in Wales. Now is a great opportunity to explore the Welsh Culture Information Pack, not only to support the Welsh language development, but also to celebrate National Play Day in Wales. So if you'd like a copy, please head to our Welsh Language Spotlight page on the PACEY website. We're wishing you a happy Play Day, and please don't forget to share with us anything that you get up to today through our social media platforms. Enjoy! Hwyl!